Your personality bears a great influence on your investment decisions. Find a job. This is the most traditional way to earn money. Look for job openings in your field of interest and apply for them. You can find job openings through online job boards, company websites, or by networking with people in your industry. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer. You can find freelancing opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Start a business. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own business can be a great way to earn money. Identify a need in the market and create a product or service that solves that need. Sell products online. You can sell products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can sell new or used items, handmade goods, or products you source from wholesalers. Invest in stocks or real estate. Investing can be a good way to earn passive income over time. You can invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets that appreciate in value over time. Participate in the gig economy. The gig economy includes platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit, where you can earn money by providing services like ride-sharing, delivery, or odd jobs. Remember, earning money takes effort, dedication, and persistence. You may need to try several different methods before you find one that works best for you.